committed to exporting high-quality Chinese industrial components, improving global equipment value, and earning worldwide recognition for Chinese manufacturing. Good morning. This is the Zhuzhou Yuko Market Research Desk with today's carbide industrial components brief. The key message today is simple. In a volatile tungsten cycle, customers do not only need parts, they need stable production, predictable replenishment, and fewer unexpected shutdowns. Tungsten prices remain volatile, while downstream buyers stay cautious. Recent market updates show that domestic tungsten concentrate and APT prices have pulled back from earlier highs, but the overall price level is still sensitive to supply, inventory, and downstream demand. On July 23, market references showed 65% scheelite concentrate around RMB 414,000 per standard ton and APT around RMB 610,000 per ton, while European APT remained at a much higher quoted range. Zhuzhou Yuko's view: raw material volatility will continue to test carbide component suppliers. The real competitive edge is not simply quoting faster, but helping customers reduce uncertainty in production. Yuko's action point: strengthen batch traceability, raw material cost monitoring, and customer-side inventory planning so that rollers, guides, dies, wear parts, and tools can be supplied with more predictable quality and delivery. Carbide and cutting tool demand is still supported by manufacturing, upgrading. Industry reports continue to show that cutting tools remain the largest application field for cemented carbide in China, accounting for more than half of carbide output structure. The share of carbide tools in machining also remains high, reflecting the long-term replacement of traditional high-speed steel tools by higher performance carbide products. Zhuzhou Yuko's view: this trend is not only about machining efficiency, it also shows that customers are increasingly willing to pay for longer life, stable dimensions, and lower total operating cost. Yuko's action point: move from selling single parts to selling application value for cold rolling ribbed ball lines and wire-related industrial scenarios. Product life, machine stability, and replacement rhythm should become part of the offer. Export-oriented carbide suppliers need to compete on service, not only price. Global customers in Southeast Asia, Australia, West Africa, Eastern Europe, and other markets are facing the same problem. Equipment downtime is expensive, and spare parts uncertainty can directly affect output. For non-listed export-focused manufacturers, service capability is becoming as important as manufacturing capability. Zhuzhou Yuko's view: the next stage of competition will be won by companies that understand production scenes, not just product drawings. Yuko's action point: continue building silent replenishment, traceable delivery, and industrial risk response services so customers can feel that Yuko is not merely a supplier, but part of their production reliability system. The 10-year signal: looking 10 years ahead, today's tungsten price fluctuation may be remembered as a turning point. Carbide companies that only chase order-by-order sales may remain trapped in price competition. Companies that connect materials, process stability, replenishment, traceability, and on-site application data will become long-term partners in customers' production systems. Final takeaway: the industry is moving from harder materials to more reliable production. For Zhuzhou Yuko, the mission is clear: provide high-quality Chinese carbide components, improve the value of global equipment, and make Chinese manufacturing trusted worldwide. Sources: SMM Tungsten Market Updates, Misteel Tungsten Price References, Market Research Report, Network Carbide Structure Analysis, Recent Public Tungsten Price Reports,